Hello my 3D printer friends, I'm here to touch base on the Creality K2 Plus, which is sitting right here next to me, sadly out of camera, due to the requests of Creality and their embargo. Some of you have expressed disappointment in the delay of its delivery, as well as the delay in content creators' ability to show or talk about the machine. This is something that directly impacts me and friends of mine in the business. While I can't speak for Creality, when it comes to the delayed shipment of the K2 Plus, I encourage you to support this and to be less upset than many of you are now, due to the fact it's a result of Creality listening and learning from their mistakes. I do believe Creality has become a touch gun-shy about releasing products early. This was the case with the Creality K1, and that was most unfortunate because, in my opinion, the Creality K1 series are the best printers Creality has ever manufactured by far. Sadly, the machine was launched a touch early and went through some growing pains with a few minor hardware issues that injured its reputation, which Creality promptly fixed, and the K1 has grown into a well-respected and much-used 3D printer within the industry. That said, I do believe the stumble out of the gate with the K1 has brought us to the situation with the K2. Creality has mentioned to me via email multiple times that they are refining and working on things. They say this in their own words, but it's very clear they are inspecting the K2, making any adjustments and changes to the manufacturing process right now, right up to the very last minute. This is a good thing because it increases the odds that the machine you receive works and works well. Delaying the K2 by a week or two or even 3 to double, triple, and quadruple check its components, reliability, and make any last-minute tweaks would actually save you time over shipping a printer early and then finding out it needs a hardware revision that you have to wait for and then perhaps even install yourself. That leaves us with the bizarre content creator situation. I've been shooting long and hard on the K2 Plus, investing dozens and dozens of hours, like I'm sure my other YouTube colleagues have as well, and all of those hours are off the books. We don't earn or make any money for this. We're shooting for free in the hopes our video create affiliate link clicks, views, shares, ad revenue, and other various sources of income that we do our best to achieve as YouTubers in order to fund our channels, pay our electric bills, and keep ourselves doing what we do. Therefore, it's super stressful to spend dozens of hours on a video and then be told last minute, sorry, you can't publish that video for another month. Is that okay? It really isn't okay. And the problem is there are other printers here, other accessories here, other companies here in my studio waiting in line for me to cover their products. But I'm only one person. I can only do so much at one time, and when working with a product, I'd like to be able to publish that product after spending my time working on it. If I can't publish that product yet, it would be better for me to work on a different product where I can publish those videos when I'm done and then work on the K2 Plus another time. I did put priority on the K2 Plus because the K2 has a lot of hype and interest behind it, and I feel K2 content will be good for my channel and good for Creality, whom I consider a friend. So, as you and I both navigate the slightly confusing situation with the launch of the K2 Plus and content creator content, we will all do our best to ride the wave and hopefully things turn out for the best. I have some extremely detailed content on the K2 Plus filmed and edited. I am continuing to work on that, and I look very forward to being given the green light to share it with you. Till then, let's keep the communication open. I do know Creality pays attention to comments and posts on social media, and all of our various conversations across social channels can help them understand the wants and needs of content creators and users and help them continue to develop their methods and strategies in the future for smoother sailing. I'll see you there.